Okay, we're in Barley, not Barley, Pendle Hill. It snowed last night. It snowed all around us. It's freezing fucking cold. But we're going to go out with the Mavic Air. Here we go. I'll try and see the sunset. Hang on a minute. Come on. Fly already. Go. Let's go. Here we go.
Take off.
Ready? Here we go. Woohoo! It is windy. Alrighty. We'll not go too high. Yeah. It is going dark, so we'll go around this lake. Or do we go straight over? I think I'll go round, actually. It's that cold today. Anything could happen. When it's that cold, battery can go at any second and you're fucked. You're coming down and there's nothing you can do, so we'll just go slowly over and I'll peek over that hill and see if the sun's gone down, alright? I know I'm flying flat slightly on the side, but that's what I want to do. I'm doing that on purpose, okay? So, hey, there's somebody over there. See here? Someone there. You always see somebody. There he is. Somebody walking along. Yeah. Someone walking on his own. There. Yep. There he is. So, we're not on our own, okay? Thought we were, but we're not. Okay, let's go over this way. We'll climb this hill now and see if the sun has gone down. Come on, climb. Climb! We're not climbing very quick, to be honest. We're not. If you're not climbing very quick, slow down a bit, which I am doing now. This is higher than what you think, and it is windy up there, so. Woohoo! Man. It's not climbing really quick at all, to be honest. It's not. Let's have a look. Look how cold it looks. It is as cold as it looks. Has the sun gone down yet? Nearly. Nearly. Oh, look at that. Lovely. Oh, that's nice. All these warning signs come up now. You've gone as far as you can go, you've gone as high as you can go. Obviously not, we're not as high as we can go, and we're not as far as we can go, but got to stick to some kind of rules, yeah? Anyway, we'll just go along here now. I think you've seen enough of that, so that's the sun going down. It is more or less going dark here now, so it is pretty dark. Let me just show you over here and then that's it, you're done. Okay, you're done. You're finished. If it says motor reach maximum motor speed done, you better stop and turn fuck round. So I'll come back round now. Okay, we've seen that coming down in the valley. Yeah, hitting the wind, coming down in the valley. Let's go. Woohoo! Fuck. So we'll come down here. Back to where we were. Not too far down. About there. About there, eh? Yeah. It is freezing cold. See if we can see that chap again here. probably see him coming down. Coming down all the time now. So, is that somebody walking there? It's hard to tell. No, that's a tree. That's a tree. Yeah, it is freezing. See if I can see that chap that we're walking, eh? Where's he gone and left us? It's kind of dangerous walking out here on your own with this cold. It is fucking cold. It is. I'll go slow now. No need to rush. Can I see our man? Or has he gone? I think he's gone. Ooh, signal. Go on, keep up. Keep up. Our man seems to have gone. You see him down there? No. Is that him there? No. It's not him. Yeah. Anyhow, I think we're done. I think we're finished. Might show you over other bit, I don't know, we'll see. I'll just go over this bit now. I'll show you what the other view is, and then we'll come back. Okay? We're just over this wall to the left hand side. Let's have a look. So there's down shot when we go over here. You ready? Oh. Good sledge down there. Be great, wouldn't it? You see it? Yeah. Have a look. Anyway, I think we're ready for turning back now. It's getting a little cold, isn't it, Kira? Yeah, we're done. Okay. Alright, let's turn it back, and it is pretty dark. Okay. Turn it back. That's the view there. You've got it. We're done. We're turning back. Turn it back. Come on. Turn it back. We are done. Folks, we are fucking done. Freezing cold, and we're done. We're at the top of this hill here. Woohoo! Hang on. You see it? Coming down now. Okay, now my head's freezing. Better put my hood back up. Right. %. Looks like we're just back in time. Here we are. There's the lights. Bit of a wave for you. Right, fucking that landing now. Let's go. Land, you bastard. Land.
Low battery warning.
Okay.
Landing.
Landed. Done. Thanks for watching. And this is November the 19th. Freezing cold at Pendle. Just off to the side where the reservoirs are. That's it. Anyway, hope you enjoyed it. See you later. Bye-bye. Bye.